What if I told you there's an AI that can write your code, plan your business, analyze a 500-page PDF, and have a real conversation all without lying to your face? Meet Claude. And by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you ever live without it.
Now I will show you how you can turn your own photos into videos like this. First, go to Google and search for InVideo AI. It's a tool that creates full videos using AI. You will land up on this page, just sign up and choose a plan. After getting the 1 month subscription, I got around 4,000 credits to generate videos. Now simply upload your photo and your voice recording and paste your script. And just like that, AI generates a complete video for you in seconds. If you want more insane AI tools like this, subscribe right now. You don't want to miss what's coming next.
What if I told you there's an AI that can write your code, plan your business, analyze a 500-page PDF, and